Let's go right to the point on how to install MongoDB. Open your web browser and go to the official MongoDB website. Navigate to the Products menu and select Community Edition. Scroll down and click on Download Community. Click the Download button for the latest version that matches your operating system. Follow the setup prompts like I did. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Now all you need to do is add it to path, so follow me carefully and let's do it step by step. Go to the file location, bin, and copy the path. Open environment variables and follow these simple steps. Now go back to your browser to the MongoDB shell download page. Scroll down and change the package from zip to MSI. Click the download button, wait for the download to finish, then run the installer. Follow these simple steps and wait for it to finish. To verify installation, open command prompt like I did and type mongod-version. To verify the shell installation, type mongod-sh. So as you can see, MongoDB is now installed and ready to use.